Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for US 30 and US 100. US 30 trading at 36,800, US 100 at 16,200 levels. A very good drop yesterday we saw on US 100 and took the support at 16,150 levels today, and US 30 traded with a massive bullish move yesterday. Now what lies ahead for the day, we are going to look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to share it across, and please uh, press the bell icon. Those who are new to the channel, let me share that I provide my daily and weekly analysis for major global markets and commodities including gold, silver and crude oil and natural gas. Right now US 100 is at 16 to 10, and very important support levels it is trying to take at 16 to 100. Now look at the 4-hour charts. In the 4-hour charts you will find that it is trying to trade in this narrowing triangle, trying to consolidate here. Now if it breaks this zone at 16,180, then I will consider this as weak, and if it breaks this zone at 16,250, I will consider 16,260, I will consider this as bullish, and I will expect it to rise sharply towards, once again, towards 16,350, 16,360 levels, and beyond that may hit this zone at 16,400 crucial resistance levels. So yes, expected breakout on US 100 can happen. On the downside 16,180, if it breaks, I think that is the level where one can go short, and beyond that possibly I am looking forward to a rise. I am looking forward to 16,330 plus levels. So also if you see here, another observation is, see, these two candles are trading with a step up. Now this candle interestingly opened low, and hence possibly it has to reverse this zone at 16 230 to 40 levels, and beyond definitely 16 to 60 there will be a massive rise in US 100 can be seen. But this is just on 4-hour charts. Let's have a look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, similar formation. You can see lower highs, higher lows, potentially breaking, potentially waiting for a breakout. But yes, we have to see this candle. It has opened in red, and possibly this 3-hour candle is trying to trade in red, and hence a little weakness can be seen. But yes, if it reverses beyond 16 to 60, definitely it will, it is a level beyond which one can go long for on US 100, and we can expect that this is a breakout we were or waiting for, else it might try to break again towards 16,150 levels. On the 2-hour charts, trying to trade in this, taking support at 16,180, 170 levels, possibly very strong support level at 16,180, 170. Beyond that 150 should provide a support. Beyond that it will break strongly. But yes, for the timing, if it breaks 16 to 40, 16 to 60 levels, definitely there will be a massive rise on US 100 can be seen. On an hourly charts also, you will see that a consistent rise then drop, and this candle is trying to show a reversal, and from here again a reversal will start, which will take it towards on the upside. I am expecting it to hit 16,300 plus levels. Looking forward to a rise. Also you must see higher lows is something which we can see on US 100, and hence possibly I am looking forward to a bullish move on US 100. And now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you will find that higher lows is something, and hence today, in fact, if it breaks 16,160 levels, that itself is good enough for us to go short at. Else till the time it is above 16,160, one can expect it to bounce back, one can expect it to head back towards 16,300, 350 and then 400 levels also. So a possible move towards 16,350 can be expected. Now let's have a look at the indicators. On the indicators, you will find that on the daily charts, see the top here at 16,280, it is trying to give it a little resistance. That is what I had said, 16,260 and then 16,240, then 260 and 280 levels. If it breaks this zone successfully, 16,300, 350 can be definitely achieved, and in fact can move strongly towards 16,400 also. But yes, there is a support level down there, and if it breaks this zone at 16,150, definitely we might see a good break. DPO is in buy zone. Look at the daily charts, it is trying to cross over. See, the black and red line are trying to cross over, but yes, a bullish candle today can only take it towards on the upside, and hence see, right now it is trading at bottom. So let's see today, if it gives a greenish candle, then only we can expect it to rise strongly towards in the coming days also. And if you look, there is a crossover happening on uh, the MACD lines on daily chart. So if this crossover continues, then further bearishness may appear, and that is why I say if it breaks 16060, then it will try to hit again towards 15800 strong support levels, where it might try to achieve those levels again. So possibly if it doesn't reverse today, we might see more bearishness in coming days in the US 100 charts. RSI is comfortable, and now let's have a look at the 4-hour charts also. See, on the 4-hour charts, stochastic almost trading at bottom and rather indicating oversold. A little reversal can be seen here. The black line is above the red and indicating that possibly we might see a reversal on US 100, and this also confirms my bias towards a bullish move, and we can expect, if it breaks 16260, we can expect 16300, 16340, 16360, and then 16400 also can be expected. Now RSI at 4-hour charts is at bottom, and now let's have a look at the levels here. Now see here, there is a pivot available at 16320, and then till 16350 levels we might find stronger resistance on US 100. Also there is a support coming from 50 period moving average, this red line, that is at around 16180 190 levels, and below that 16160. Below that it will break heavily, but yes, till the time it is above this, we might expect a rise on US 100. We might expect a break out, and possibly on the upside. So considering this, let me give you the levels to trade for. So today I will recommend you to initiate a buy at 16240. Here you can enter a long. The nearest resistance at 16260, 16280. Now if it breaks this zone, definitely we will be looking forward to 16320 and then 16350 levels. Beyond that 16400, which is a stronger resistance level, as we have seen it many a times in the recent past. But yes, beyond 16250 we can definitely try to initiate a long, and on the downside 16180 to provide a support. But yes, I will not actually recommend a short till 16160 levels. But if it breaks 16160, then you can initiate a short for 16130. So this is the level. Till the time I will expect it to reverse, I will expect US 100 to in fact bounce back, and that will be the safe level to in fact enter a long at 16160 180 levels. But if it breaks 16160, definitely we might see a good break towards 16100, and then towards 16060. Very strong support levels. Breaking 16060, it is directly heading towards 15970. I don't expect that to happen. At first I'll expect it to drop till 16160 and then bounce back towards 280 or 320 levels. So my expectation is bullish. I am bullish on US 100 today. We might see a reversal. We might expect it to rise towards 16300, 16340, 16350 levels. So this is all for US 100. Now let's move towards US 30. US 30 trading at 36780 levels, and now this is a 4-hour chart. On a 4-hour chart you can see that, see, the rise, the drop, and the pivot. The pivot is now at around 36750 levels on the 4-hour chart, and on the downside it has got till 36680 levels. On the upside we have seen 36850 levels. So right now the pivot is almost at around 36750 levels, and from there we can see 100 points. So 36650 can be achieved on the upside, possibly 36820. So this range towards 36,820 to 36,650 can be seen on US 30, and this is just on 4-hour charts. What it appears on the 4-hour charts, that see there is a wick available, and hence if it breaks this time at about 36,800, definitely it might try to achieve higher highs, and again it will try to aim towards 36,900 levels. So yes, also if it breaks 36,750, then you can expect it to drop again towards 36,700 and then towards 36,660, 650 levels. So possibly above 36,820, I'll recommend to go long, where we can expect 36,860 and 36,900 levels. Beyond that, definitely it will rise sharply. And on the downside, there is a support available at 36,750 levels. Possibly if it breaks till 36,750, we might in fact below 36,750, we can expect it to drop a bit towards 36,700 and then towards 36,650 levels. Yes, if you recall my yesterday's analysis, I told that 36,630 is a very strong support now for US 100, US 30. And if it breaks 36,630, then only I will consider this as that US 30 is little bit weak, else it might try to continuously rise. Let's have a look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, see, it has got its base at 36,700, 36,690 levels, a possible retracement, and you can see there is a possible retracement, but this time this candle has in fact broken this channel and trading well below. So if it breaks 36,690, definitely that will bring a good case for us to go short, and then 36,630 and 36,590 can be seen, and below that it will try to break heavily towards 36,500 and below levels. But at the same time, if it breaks 36,820, we can expect it to head towards 36,880 and 36,900 plus levels, which we saw yesterday. Also, we must not forget bullish run, then a retracement, and now taking support at 36,690. It is trying to trade. Possibly it might try to again give a bullish channel, which might take it towards 36,900 plus levels. But yes, only beyond 36,820 I will recommend you to go long. At the same time, now this is on the 3-hour charts. Look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, we have seen this here. It is support, rise, higher highs, and then trying to take a drop. So at this level, you see here, if it will break this channel at 36,820, beyond that it will again head towards 36,880 levels, and after that 36,920 double top can be formed, and then it might try to break. So 36,940 levels it might achieve again and then try to break. That is what can be expected, forming a double top out there. But yes, for the day, 36,690 appears to be a very strong support level. Looking at the hourly chart, rise, drop, consolidation, rise, reversal candle, a drop, and again trying to reverse. So if the next candle crosses this channel at 36,820, definitely that will build a case for 36,900 and then 36,940 levels. So let me give you the levels to trade for. Let's first watch what is the daily chart says. The daily charts says that the candle is green, and if you look at the pivot right now available, the equilibrium right now available at around 36,600 levels. So you can see 36,600. From there we saw 36,232. That is almost 250 points, and rather I will say 270 points. And on the upside we have seen more than that. So 36,620 levels almost is the pivot. 36,630, that is what I had said, a stronger support level will come into picture at 36,630. If it breaks 36,630, then you can expect it to drop towards 36,450 levels, else it might continuously rise, and possibly now today with the base at 36,690, it might try to give a higher highs or at least double top towards 35,940, 950 levels. Now let's have a look at the indicators. On the indicators on the daily charts, at the extremes of the Bollinger Bands and the channels out there, we might find that again a bullish move can be expected till the time it is above 36,690. DPO is in green. MACD lines are wide and divergent and are in a buy zone. Stochastic is comfortable on the daily charts, trying to rise again. Possibly we might see it entering into an overbought position with, and possibly can in fact cross 37,000 sometime. A 4-hour chart, there is a crossover happening, trying to rise again. We can see this on 4-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts also similar formation, possibly looking forward to again a bull. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, you will find that there is support right now available at around 36,740. So if it breaks this zone at 36,740, then only you can expect it to drop towards 36,690. Probable support at 36,690, 680. Beyond that, 36,630 will come into picture. Till the time it is above this, possibly we can expect a rise, and then beyond 36,820 you can go long. Else it might try to trade between 36,690 and 820 levels. So 4-hour charts, stochastic we have seen. Now considering this, let me give you the levels to trade for. So see, if you want to gain the same expertise and want to understand the markets in a more detailed way and try to get the neck of strategies on how to predict market, you can join my 7th batch, which is starting on 10th of January. And tomorrow is the last day to book your seat. Many of you have already booked. If you want to get into gain the same expertise, you can reach out to me for my training details. It is a 15-day training course and 1.5 hours, 90 minutes a day. There will be separate additional doubt clarification session, and there is additional support for 3 months for all your trading decisions. We will be there for you. So reach out to me for any of your trading or training related queries. My email IDs and the Telegram link is mentioned in the description. Join the Telegram channel and reach out to me for any of your queries. Now let me give you the levels to trade for today. I will recommend you to go long at 36,823. If it breaks 36,823, you can expect 36,860, 36,883, and then 36,920 and 940 will come into picture. Beyond that, sky is the limit. It might hit 37,000 levels, very strong levels to look out for. But at the same time, on the downside, I will recommend you to go short on US30 at 36,740 levels. This is the level below which I will recommend you to go short for 36,690, or rather I will say 36,685. Below 36,685, it will try to break towards 36,630. Very strong support will come into picture at this zone at 36,630, and below that it will try to break heavily towards 36,500, the next support, and 36,400 levels. But this is the zone I will be looking forward to. I don't expect it to break this, but if it breaks this, definitely there is an indication that markets are trading into a bearish mode, and possibly we might see a good drop. Else it might take a support at 36,740 or 36,685 at worst, and possibly rise from these levels at 36,685, and we might see it heading towards 36,880, 36,920 and plus levels. In fact, a double top can be formed at 36,940. That can also be seen. So trade accordingly, friends. And this is all from my side for US30. If you have any of your trading related queries, please reach out to me, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.